Byproducts of poultry. The word poultry, it has been derived from the French word poulet, and the word poulet, it has been derived from the Latin word pullus, which means small animals. Poultry, it is domesticated bird kept by humans for the egg they produce, their meat, feathers, or sometimes as pet. And it is the second most widely eaten type of meat in the world. It is available fresh, frozen, whole bird, deboned, boned, and seasoned in various ways, raw or ready to cooked. Then what is poultry byproduct meal? Poultry byproduct meal, it is a high protein commodity used as a major component on some pet food. It is made from grinding, clean, rendered part of poultry carcass and can contain bones, offal, and undeveloped eggs, but only contains feathers that are unavoidable in the processing of poultry part. Poultry byproduct meal quality and composition, it can change from one batch to another depending upon the age, sex, and variety of the poultry bird. The poultry slaughterhouse byproduct chicken meal, it is a highly nutritious ingredient which can be an important protein source in the diet of swine and chickens. And chicken meal contain 55% of proteins. But its availability is limited as most of the slaughtering is done in a traditional manner and they are not aware of utilization of poultry byproduct. But the increasing awareness on hygiene, consumers are showing interest in buying processed chicken, which indicate that in future chicken meal can form a part of the poultry and swine diet, reducing the burden on conventional feed ingredients. As the composition is better or equal to good quality conventional protein supplements like fish meal or soybean meal. Then byproducts of poultry industry. Poultry dressing plant waste, it contain feathers, blood, and offal. And offal contain head, feed, inedible viscera. Then hatchery waste. Hatchery waste include infertile egg, dead embryo, eggshell, unhatched chicks, etc. Dead birds, poultry manure, egg processing unit waste, unsound eggs, eggshell. They are some of the byproducts of poultry industry. Hatchery byproduct meal. So hatchery byproduct meal, it is a promising feed ingredient as all the hatching is done in an organized sector. It can be either sterilized and dried and included in the diet of a chicken or swine and can be cooked as feed as wet mass to swine if swine farms are located near the hatcheries. And nutrition composition of hatchery byproduct meal include 27% of protein. Poultry feathers. It is quite popular in American continent and in Indian in context of India it is not much popular. While feathers are often considered a byproduct of poultry production and often it is a waste byproduct, but some producers they raise poultry specifically for their feathers. They are also routinely used in production of fishing flies. Feather meal, it is produced by a high pressure steam processing method. It is similar to autoclaving and then followed by drying. Heat and steam hydrolyze the feathers into a cysteine rich high protein product that is 60% digestible. Poultry feathers. Researchers they have shown that the keratin in the feathers, a protein, it is a protein that is found in hair, hoof, horns and wools. It can be used in the production of a wide variety of products such as pillow stuffing, diaper, insulation, upholstery padding, paper, plastic, feather meal. These are some of the products where poultry feathers are used. Blood. Blood is the another byproduct of poultry industry. Blood meal, it is a byproduct of the slaughtering industry and is used as a protein source in the diet of livestock. The drying of whole blood meal from slaughtered animals derived blood meal. It is basically a drying of whole blood. Then three methods are used for processing of whole blood. They are batch dried rendering, ring dried rendering, and spray dried rendering. The ring dried and spray dried blood meal, it has a greater content of total and available amino acid and is of better nutritional quality. Uses of blood. It is used as a fish bait. It can also be used as bait during fishing operations and as fertilizers. Decomposed blood, it can be simply cooked for some time to reduce moisture and it is used as fertilizers in the field. Moisture is removed from the blood and we are using it as fertilizers. Here is an example of how it will look. Blood meal after evaporating all the moisture. Then we have poultry manure. Poultry manure, it is used as fertilizer, and poultry manure is a more concentrated source of crop nutrient, especially nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Being naturally organic, it does not need composting and it can be applied directly to the fields from the farm. It is organic and it does not need any further processing. So fertilizer value of 1 ton of dried cage poultry manure is it is equivalent to 100 kg of urea, 150 kg superphosphate, 5 kg ferrous sulfate, 1 kg manganese sulfate, zinc sulfate and other trace minerals and is available at a cheaper rate. Reuse of eggshell. How eggshells are used. Eggshell, they consist of calcium carbonate and along with small amount of protein and other organic compounds. Calcium carbonate, it is the most common form of calcium in the nature, making up she shells, coral reef, limestone. It is also the cheapest and most widely available form of calcium supplement. And eggshell powder, it is maybe even more effective at reducing osteoporosis risk rather than purified calcium carbonate. So eggshell is used in a multiple manner. Uses. It is used in compost and organic gardening as seedling pot, create mosaic craft, make chalk. You can make chalk using just ground eggshells, hot water, flour and food coloring. Then it is used as a mini vase. Here it is the example of reusing of eggshell. In the left hand side, they have used eggshell as a flower vase and then the decorated eggshells. And another on the right hand side, it is how to make chalk powder. Okay, that's it. Thank you.